First pitch, swung on and missed by the left hand. 0-1 coming to Victor. He shows bunt, bunts foul, strike two. They were coming from Zhuang. That's high for a ball. The 1-2 delivery. Breaking ball, bounce. 2-2 pitch to the Trav leadoff man. Low and in, full count. 3-2. Victor swings and drills it deep down the right field line. If it's fair, it's gone, but it is a foul ball. 3-2 again. Labrada fouls it back. Good opening it back. Again, a 3-2 pitch from the right-hander. And again, a foul ball back and out of play. Finished last season. Another 3-2. And it's downstairs. Ball four. Victor Labrada is on with a leadoff walk. Very nice plate appearance. 9 on base through the first 18 games. He swings at the first pitch and drives it. Fairly deep right center field, but back to make the grab is Henry Bolte as he crosses onto the warning track in deepest right center. And Labrada into this one. And he hits a bouncing ball. Fair over third and rolling down the left field line into the corner. Over to get it, Perez. Labrada around third, streaking for the plate. He scores, and the Travs are in front 1-0 on a double from Caleb Cali. Sharp ground ball, just fair. It hopped right over the bag and stayed true all the way down the line. For Caleb, double number 4, RBI number 6. Travs get out early tonight, 1-0 in the first. Jared Sundstrom to the plate. First pitch to him is high for a ball. 1-0 pitch. Breaking ball this time drops into the zone. Eyes the runner, now kicks and fires. Sundstrom fouls a fastball. Zhuang to the plate. Slow breaking ball. When he's at his best, he's commanding to all portions of the strike zone. Sundstrom waiting. 6th pitch of the at-bat on the way. And it's rolled to the shortstop. Charging Swift. Scoops, bobbles, recovers, throws in time. Dexterity from Drew by Drew Swift. Charging in on a slowly hit ground ball. Cali moves to third, but now 2 out. Runner at third, 2 out. Pitch coming to Hogan Windish, and it's high for a ball. Does not overpower, but it plays well at the top of the zone. Pitch missing in. 2 balls, no strike. Left a bit against Hogan. Here it comes. Swing and a miss. Zhuang. Zhuang fires again. And this one's tapped along the first base line. Zhuang over to get it. He'll underhand to first. And that's the inning. Travs get one to get. 0-1 pitch to the right-handed batter. Slow curveball called night. And a run batted in. Fastball right in there, called strike 3 after 2 slow breaking balls. 93-mile-an-hour fastball looked more like 103. Zhuang has his first strikeout.
The right fielder number 7, Yoiner Fajardo.
So 1 away. Here's Yoiner Fajardo. Yoiner making his second start of 1-0. Tipped foul, 1 ball, 1 strike. Next pitch. Fouled back, strike. Here comes the 1-2. Inside, Fajardo. Zhuang with a slow windup. Fires high and away, full again here. And now deals a 3-2 pitch. And Fajardo fouls it away. 7th pitch of the at-bat on the way. And it's waved at and missed. Swung through a fastball for strike 3, and Zhuang has K'd the first 2 of the inning. Well, that'll bring in Julio Rodriguez.
Catcher number 26, Julio Rodriguez.
Right-handed hitter in the box and staring at ball 1, run. He swings and it's a bouncing ball. Foul off of third, right. 1-1 pitch. High and tight, 2 balls and a strike. The bottom of the 2nd. He fires. Outside, 3 balls and a strike. As is allowable under the rules. 3-1, fouled away to the right. Payoff pitch to Julio. Hit to left field. Back on it goes Perez with room. He makes a running catch, crossing onto the warning track.
Volunteer and request aid.
Blake Rambush leading off the bottom of the third, goes first pitch swinging, and Ford back in that first inning. A 9-pitch at bat to start. Victor takes ball one up and in after. Here's the 1-0. Victor takes downstairs, ball 2-0 pitch. Pulled into right field, that's a base hit. Victor sprints for first, he's gonna try for two. Here's the throw from Buelvis, too late. Victor Labrada in with a double. One out, Bill Knight the hitter. And a curveball misses in, ball one. 1-0 pitch coming. Cued foul right side, it's a ball just in the state. Labrada takes off for third, Knight gets jammed, little flare to first. Malone's got it in the air, and they'll flip to second and double off Labrada.
What was the restaurant we ate at? For Clinton.
Caleb Cowley leading off here for the Travs. He had the RBI double back in the first. Takes a strike, 1-2. Fergie, you played.
Step to get to the big leagues, so I had to come to Arkansas to.
Complete games in their
No,
career
you're right.
anymore.
Yeah.
It's
all changed.
It's just been a whirlwind of
one hopper to short. Swift has it and throws Cowley out at first. I'll start with you. What stories did your dad share with you about playing here? As we get a ground ball into the hole. Swift trying to scoop it, cannot. And Jared Sundstrom is on with an infield
segregation and breaking the color barrier and dealing with segregation and things like that. That motivated him to want to.
Selena Lopez and Richard Quito from Panama. And
get here permanently. I think it was 65,
right,
which was the year you ended up finally getting to the big leagues as
right.
well. And then
exactly, if you're qualified to play in that level. So I was very fortunate enough to.
Travs in Cooperstown.
Oh, okay.
Pitch missing to Hogan Windish to come up. I will gladly have him.
Oh.
There's a line shot up the middle. Windish has a hit. Sundstrom stops at second. Travs threatening to add to this one.
Totally different now. They're not heavy wool uniforms.
Oh my goodness.
And situation where a rookie salary,
Yeah.
$750,000 if you make the ball club.
What did you make when you got to the big leagues?
$6,500.
Wow. There you go. And that 8,000 disappeared right away, probably. First for you. Oh yeah, 2007
right.
was when you were here. Okay. Oh yeah, one of the bobbleheads is it's residing on my desk back here.
Right,
You're immortalized in
I'm
my
gonna have to sign.
Nick Allen bobblehead for next season.
Oh, there you go.
It may have already been rumored in our office about trying to do that. So if you hear about it, you didn't hear it from me.
Okay.
And then I see the team during the season.
Okay.
I'm like a guest coach.
Show up when you want.
Yes, definitely.
Fly ball left center. Bolte over from center makes the grab.
Take me back.
The new Marlins.
Yes.
Yoiner Fajardo takes ball.
And Tacoma, they're all long trips.
San Diego.
Yep.
When Atlanta and Indianapolis are your.
He mentioned something about I don't know if it was here or not.
A little bit.
See, we think a 10-hour bus ride out to Midland, Texas is forever these days.
Yeah.
Talk about the guy, new youth.
It's fun.
2 balls, 2 strikes to Fajardo. Foul ball out of play.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cubs, Arkansas, Phillies. And there've been several different days I had bobblehead.
Youth Foundation is the official public charity for the Arkansas Travelers. The Travs Youth Foundation helps kids get outside and play ball by breaking down barriers.
The Bridal Cottage offers modern styles and classic designs to ensure you look your
Field at Dickey Stevens Park. Travelers leading Midland 1-0. Bottom of the 5th. 1 out in the inning. Julio. Dick Allen's life and journey into baseball and through the minor leagues and his time here in Little. This is going to go in a special place. We'll see where. But Dick Allen, when the induction ceremony hits this July, becomes former Trav number 6 into the Hall of Fame, and to have his civil rights pioneer, essentially. Fly ball right field off the bat of Rambush. Back to get it is Caden. Ball 1 inside. I am kicking myself right now. Man, there's no proof they were actually here, right? Swing and a miss. Labrada, 1 ball, 1 strike. I guess the big thanks to Fergie Jenkins and Richard Allen Jr. Labrada trying to bunt to beat the shift. Cool stuff having those 2 guys here tonight. 1-2 pitch fouled away, and will 1-2 on the way. Downstairs, 2-4, and then here most of the 1965 season before the Phillies called him up for his big league debut. Swing and a miss. Labrada, he's gone on strikes. Chen Zhuang's third strikeout as the Rockhound right-hander gets through 5 innings. Trav's run